Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard video. We have the EISA Pro full-size keyboard from REDRAGON. It's got 3-mode connectivity, which means wired, 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth. Gasket mount. Everything is gasket mounted. It's equipped with Leopard L switch. It's a brand new linear switch. Hot swappable for more switches and DIY options. So basically you can swap the keys and you can swap the switches. And it's got a multimedia knob right here where you can adjust the volume, and they say it has support for backlight and brightness adjustment. So basically you can adjust the brightness of the keyboard just by the knob, which is really clever. This is the box for it. This is how the box looks like. Pretty fancy box. It shows you the keyboard, shows you everything. On the back right here we have all the features that I stated. So wired, gasket mount, Leopard switches, hot swappable, and the media knob. As you can see, it's a full-size keyboard. As I said, you have all the keys right here, and pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead now and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have right here an instruction manual. I suggest you guys give this a read so you will know how to use this keyboard to its full potential. And as with all REDRAGON products, they included some stickers right here, which is pretty cool. You can put them on your case, on your keyboard, on the back of your keyboard, whatever you want. We have 4 spare switches. These are the new linear switches they're talking about. So you can always put them in another keyboard or try them out, or swap them if they go bad, but they usually have a pretty long lifespan. Have a switch and a keycap puller right here, pretty basic, REDRAGON branded, as you guys can see. We have the USB type A to USB type C angled cable. This is used to charge the keyboard or use it in wire mode. I think the port should be right here on the side, that's why it's angled. So if you want to use it wired, just put the USB type C cable in here and connect it to one of your devices and it should be ready to go. Right here on the side of the keyboard we have the modes. So we have 2.4, we have off, and you have the option to choose between macOS and Windows. On the other side of the keyboard we have the 2.4 GHz receiver. All you have to do is just pull it out and plug it into your PC and you'll be ready to go. We have here the volume adjustment knob. I have the keys. Everything looks nice. You cannot see the key functions from the top, but you can see them from the side right here, which will be the direction you're facing anyway. So that's pretty clever. I like the whole design of it. Gray with black actually mixes pretty good, and the RGB makes it look even better. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and set it up. I'm gonna plug it into my PC, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like on your setup. After that, maybe we will type on some keys. I will get really close with the camera so you guys can hear how the keys sound like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now everything is set up to my PC. The keyboard is very responsive. It's super easy to connect as well. All you had to do is just take that USB 2.4 GHz receiver from here and plug it into your PC, and basically it's ready to go. As I said, it's super responsive, so if I press the Windows key, it has basically no delay at all. It's really great for gaming, and I think it fits the whole gaming scenario, especially that it's a full-size keyboard. Some games require more keys, so you can set them up as macros, you can customize them, you can do whatever you want. That's in game obviously. And yeah, pretty much this is how it looks like. and we have the volume knob right here, which works every time I turn it. It works super quick as well, which I'm impressed by it. And now let's get a bit closer to the keyboard, and we should have a sound test, so you guys can hear. I think I pressed the wrong key there. Yeah, so basically they're linear switches, they're not supposed to be clicky. They sound great in my opinion. Everything sounds really good. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm gonna have a link in the video description down below for this keyboard. They have many more keyboards and many more gaming accessories if you guys want to check them out at REDRAGON shop. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.